In this video, we are going to discuss about, this is the series of data analysis with Python. Okay. And this is second video which I uploaded. Guys, if you want to know the Python basic, please go through my series of videos, which I have already uploaded. And this is like, for the Python, how we can do the analysis. Okay. So guys, here what we are doing, we are going to import the two libraries, Pandas and NumPy libraries. Okay. And we are creating some sample dictionary data with missing values. So guys, missing values are represented by none here. If you see that this is the dictionary data, and this is I'm storing completely inside this data variable. And here I'm creating one data frame, and this data frame, how we get it? This is the library which I'm calling, and I'm creating a data frame and storing the result here. Okay. Now I'm going to checking for missing values using df.isNull.sum function. Okay. And filtering rows with missing value using Boolean indexing here. So basically, I'm just printing the original data frame before going to find out the missing values. And here the main logic, which I'm doing here, checking for missing null values, printing the missing null values, then df.isNull.sum, count missing values in each column. So with help of this one, we can find out the count as well as isNull function, which will help to find out the null values, whatever it is there. And after this one, apply sum function. So I want to access the row with the missing values, Boolean indexing. So I'm creating one variable here. Then I'm calling the data frame is null dot any axis equal to 1. So actually, guys, this is the accessing row with the missing values, guys. So I'm just utilizing any function here, axis equal to 1. So then after this one, I'm printing the missing value. Then replace the missing value, example, fill with the mean for age. So df age, I'm creating one variable that, this is the df age, this is a column, which I'm calling, and fill that nl, then df age dot mean. Okay, in place true. So now I'm printing data frame after replacing missing value, print df. So now if I'm executing this one, okay, so this is the original data set and this is the missing values, guys. So name is missing, age is missing, city is missing, and this is the data type they're printing. Now row with the missing values, data frame after replacing missing values. So this is the name, age, city, BOB, NL, Los Angeles, Charlie. So we am going to fill a row with the missing value, 30.00 none. Here is the none. Now data frame after replacing the missing values. So we are replacing the missing values. So these are output which we are getting, guys. So basically here, for example, none, Charlie, we are, if you see missing values, data frame after replacing missing values. So age, we are getting name, Alice, Bob, Charlie, none. And this is the value, 25, age is given 30, okay, 27, a city, New York, Los Angeles, none, Chicago. Actually, basically here, replacing missing value in the age column with the mean value, guys. Actually, we are doing mean value here. So that is the reason we are getting this output. Okay. And if you see here, NN is there. I'm changing with the 30. Okay, sorry, Bob. Bob 1, I'm replace it. So like this, we can replace the null values via using this one. I will cover more videos, guys. This will help you a lot in the future project. This is one example, basic example, which I use the data dictionary. With this only, I'm, find out the missing values with help of this function. Then applying the sum. After this one, I'm replacing missing value with help of this mean function. Because I want to fill the mean, this none value with this one, Bob. So that's all about this, guys. I will try to upload few more data analysis with Python. Thank you.